Hello, my name is Thanyakon Krishnasinuan. My student number is 61118100003. My faculty is Chinothai National Rubber College. Today, I would like to present the topic speed controller and starting method for induction motor. For the first one, introduction. A large number of motors are being used for generator purpose is our surrounding from household equipment to machine tool in the industry facility. The electric motor is now a necessary and indispensable source of power in many industries. The function and the performance required for this motor are wide-ranging. When focusing attention on the speed controller segment of the motor market, servo and stepper motor controller their speed with a push train, while in the induction motor and the branchless DC motor controller speed with an external resistor and DC voltage. This article explains the structure, the speed controller principle, and the future of the following three product groups that can control the speed relative easily by using an analog input. And I have three modules to present. This one, AC speed controller motor and gear motor, branchless DC motor and gear motor, and 3, inverter unit. For the number 2, speed controller method for various speed controller motor. The method of controlling the output of the speed controller circuit can be divided into both group, phase controller and inverter controller. And this one is the block diagram to show the phase or three phase. Classification of speed controller motor. This one is have a two function. This one is AC speed controller motor and construction of motor. And the picture, there's a fig 2, the construction of the signal phase, single phase and three phase. Induction motor include a starter where the primary winding is wood and a basket shaped solid aluminum die cast rotor. The rotor is low cost because the structure is simple and does not use a magnet. And this one, construction of induction motor. When the speed of this motor is to be controlled, a texture generator is used to detect the speed and is attached to the motor as shown on the picture this one, and the starter generator is made of a magnet connected directly to the motor shaft, and starter coil is that they detect the magnetic pole and generators and AC voltage at the 12 cycle per per revolution. Since this voltage and frequency increase with the rate of the rotational speed, and rotational speed of the motor in the is controlled based on this signal. And this one to show the principle of speed controller. The rotational speed in the end of the induction motor can be shown by the explanation. When the voltage applied to the motor is increased and decreased, the slip S is change the rotational speed in with change. And this one is and this one is shown operation of the speed controller. The AC speed controller motor has the following features when using this closed loop phase controller. The first one is since the AC voltage is controlled directly, the speed controller circuit can be configured simple because a smoothing circuit is unnecessary, allowing for a compact design at a low price. Number two, in the same way, a long life design is possible can be because a large aluminum electrolytic capacitor is unnecessary. Number three, the switching is operated only one time each half circle of the commercial AC power supply, which keep the generator noise low. Further chapter this is the branch DC speed controller unit. As for the construction of a branch-net motor, a coil is star Y with the three phase U, V, and W, and is located in the starter, and the rotor is made of magnet, and the inside the starter 3-hole IC are arranged as magnetic arrangement so that the phase difference of the output signal from each hole IC will be 120 degrees apart of every rotation of the rotor. And the last thing, rotational speed torque changing characteristic of a branded DC motor. When on load is applied and the input voltage is set at the V2, the operation point of the motor because P and the rotational speed is N1. When the rotation torque T1 is applied, the operation point shift to Q and the rotation speed slow to the N2. However, the rotational speed return to N1 if the voltage is less to V3 4. Therefore, since the rotational speed change whenever the load torque change, the speed controller mechanism will only have to change in the input voltage whenever a change in the speed is seen in order to maintain a constant speed on the PR line. And summary: Oriental motor offered three product group: AC speed controller motor, brushless DC speed controller motor, and inverter unit for use in a wide range of the speed controller application. The proper speed controller product can be selected according to the function, the performance, the cost, and the purpose. This for your application. Oriental motor will continue to work on product development so that we can offer the product that best meet the various need of our customer for in the future. Thank you for attention.